Let me tell you 3 benefits and 1 perk from drinking this Habit 1 mushroom coffee. First benefit, less caffeine. I'm a big coffee drinker and sometimes I need to take a break and take in something with less caffeine. Second, it has adaptogens. Adaptogens are associated with decreasing gut inflammation. You'll see some information out there. People use adaptogens to help offset drinking. Sounds good to me. Then the third reason why it's good is it also has nootropics. Nootropics are associated with a clearer mind, better focus. Definitely taking in less caffeine might lead to better focus. And then the perk of this is it tastes great. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Now I still put a little creamer in mine, just like I drink normal coffee, and this tastes great. I recommend Habit 1.